Hi, Dave with Innovative Detailing, coming to you today on Tuesday with this latest project we just completed here at the shop. This 2017 C7 Grand Sport Z07 package. Just completed a cross-country trip from California to Atlanta and back in the midst of winter. Was completely hammered from the snow, from the elements, who knows, everything and anything from here to there. But now that it's come back in, it's been properly brought back up to its best state possible again. A little disappointed with the way the X-Bell held up. Had some staining, some scratching. The coating that I applied was just about bulletproof. But what I had to do was just do some film correction. Some of the stains did not come out. So we'll see what happens once it warms up a bit and the sun has its chance to soften the film, and maybe they'll correct with the heat. But in all cases, she's looking beautiful again. This Black Rose Metallic Grand Sport, one of my favorite colors. This paint is just dripping wet. After polishing it, it got a good coating of Vonix Natural, which just an incredible carnauba paste. You can see the reflections just everywhere. Thanks to Paulo and the guys at Vonix. Hope everyone has a wonderful day.